Hello everyone. In my previous videos, we discussed about Solidworks part and assembly features. So now, it's time for Solidworks Drawing. Just like in assembly, we can open Solidworks drawing file in two ways. One is by directly opening new drawing file and selecting sheet size. You will see all these is standard size. We can create our custom sheet size or uncheck this option to select any non-standard size. For now, I am selecting A2. Simply click on Browse and left to insert any part or assembly. Alternatively, open any part or assembly and select Make Drawing from Part or Assembly option. Then select Sheet Size and Done. Now we can select the view and drag it to the sheet. I place the front view, and when I go up, it shows the top view, and when I go sideways, it shows the side view. These three views collectively is known as orthographic view, and when I go at 45-degree angle, it shows isometric view. Isometric view is very helpful as it shows the final entity. When we drag any orthographic view, other views move with it, except isometric view, which is independent. We can also add other view from here. You will notice that size of our drawing is small compared to the sheet. To change size of drawings, select any drawing and in design tree, select custom scale in scale. By changing scale, we can change the size of our drawings. Drawings are made to specify an entity in 2D. So now we will add dimensions, which is done by Smart Dimension option, just like we did while drawing sketches. From isometric view, we know that these three circles are holes, but without isometric view, we can't identify that. So to make it clearer, go in annotation and select hole callout option. This shows that these are holes, not just circles. There are also many different options in annotation based on use case. We can use different drawing style by selecting the object, then selecting style in design tree. We can also change display style from design tree as well. At last, fill the drawing details in the box below. After completing the drawing, we have to export it. To save a SolidWorks file, simply click on Save on top or press Ctrl+S. And to export a SolidWorks file, click on Save As, and here in Save As type, we can select our desired export type like PDF, JPEG, PNG, etc. You can customize export from options, and after that, click on Save. So this is how we can create drawing in SolidWorks, and this video concludes the complete SolidWorks beginner's guide. In my next video, I will show you how to create a machine using these features. So stay tuned.